everybody. Welcome to another Road to Percona Live. I'm Matt Yankovic, the head of open source strategy here at Percona, or the HOS for short. And I'm here with Robert Reeves, who's going to give us a preview of his talk. Hi, Robert. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
Great. So you are going to be talking about GitHub for your databases, or Git for your databases.
Well, exactly. It's called Liquibase Data. And what we figured out is how to apply the same workflow that you use for your application code using Git with your database. In a nutshell, vanilla Git workflow, Git clone, Git commit, Git push. All of those are available for Liquibase Data. For your database. And so what is happening is that Liquibase Data will start a Docker container and it will automatically create a volume for the data. So your schema, all the data that's in there. And that's what we're actually versioning, that volume. And so you can do Liquibase Data run to start a new database. Make some changes, connect with your favorite Percona tools and make changes to it. Then you can go ahead and say Liquibase commit, Liquibase push. Well, of course, that implies a remote. And so we support S3 buckets and SSH servers today. And so what this allows me to do is I can start a database. I can make changes to it. I can do Liquibase commit, Liquibase push. And then you can do Liquibase Data clone, and you'll get a database up and running. You can make changes. You do the Liquibase Data commit, Liquibase Data push. I do Liquibase Data pull, and I see that. And that's been the missing part of our development stack. It's real easy to do the code, but the database, sharing databases amongst dev team members is really hard. Now, we use this internally at Liquibase. So we drink our own champagne. And so we have created what we call Liquibase Test Harness, which allows us to test Liquibase across tons and tons of databases. And so what we're able to do is get a valid test data set for all of our different databases, and then run our tests against it and get results to see if we have any regressions or bugs.
Very cool. Yeah, and I think that the schema side, the application side is always that difficult merge, right? So there's so many CI/CD tools, so many pipeline tools for the application that just doesn't exist for the database, or they're very few and far between, which is very cool, which makes this a must-attend talk for many people.
Well, I think so. At the very least, there'll be a lot of jokes.
Ooh, we like jokes as well. Yes. So if you're interested in hearing more about Liquibase and using a git-like interface for your database, come on out to Percona Live. It is May 16th, 17th, and 18th in Austin, which is local for Robert. He's going to be there. Come say hi, hang out with us. He's got a whole list of places you should check out in Austin. So that should be a fun time as well. So feel free to hit him up for ideas, and say hi.